I was hoping this would be a happy ending.
I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. And then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried.
God bless us, everyone.
Then I saw her face.
Now I'm a believer.
Hey, not a trace.
Yeah.
Doubt in my mind.
One more time.
I'm in love. I'm a believer.
Come on. I believe, 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 I believe. Hey, y'all sing it with me. The people in the back.
Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you did, be sure to subscribe here, and don't forget to check out our website, ballroomfeed.com. This was an example of a custom wedding choreography, so if you want us to choreograph for your wedding, you can check out the 2 package options we have below. I'm going to link it down there for you, and this is actually available for purchase now if you'd like to do this and learn this one for your dance as well. So go check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Not a trace